Hi, welcome to Timeless Trees YouTube channel. I'm Meredith, and today I'm going to talk to you about the different wires that we have available and their uses. We sell two different types of wires, and two different types of wires are used in mainly bonsai tree making. The two different types of wires that are used are copper and aluminum, and there's a bunch of differences between the two. The main biggest difference is, of course, material, but also cost. Copper is a lot more expensive than aluminum, but copper lasts a lot longer than aluminum. Okay, so we're going to first talk about copper wire. Copper wire is, you use it a lot, we can use it a lot on carnivorous trees, such as pines, junipers, and cypress trees. It works really well with those particular trees. Copper wire can be reused just like aluminum wire, but it holds up better long term. There's many different thicknesses to wire. So I have two types of wire. This is just two of the gauges that we sell. This is 20, and it is very, very thin and very, very malleable. So it's great for wiring little branches and styling them to fit what you want them to do. So very easy to work with and very malleable. And then we have number 6, which obviously you can see is a lot thicker. This is to be able to style and bend larger branches. It is not as malleable as the thinner wire, and so it works great for holding in place larger branches. Same thing with aluminum. We use aluminum a lot, especially when we're getting a pot ready for repotting. It's cheap, so that makes it perfect to be broken down by soil, and it holds up pretty good at the bottom of a pot. Very malleable for the most part. It also comes in different gauges, and I've got 3 of those gauges. The 20 is just like the copper, very thin, perfect for those tiny little branches that don't need a whole lot of support. So it works very well, extremely malleable, and holds up for about 6 months. Then you want to take it off. Our number 2 is a little bit thicker. Okay, we use number 2 a lot when we're getting the pot ready for repotting and moving a tree into that pot. We use number 2 to put the netting down over the holes and to secure those in so that soil doesn't move through the holes. We also use number 2 when we're doing tie downs, securing that plant or that tree into the pot. Great use. It is very malleable. As you can see, I'm bending it all over the place. Also, it's great for a little bit bigger branches, probably no bigger than your pinky. It helps them stay in place as well. And then we have the big one. This is number 6. It works great for large branches that you want to keep in place. It isn't as malleable, but the aluminum is actually more malleable than the copper. It's easy to move. It's easier to work with than the copper to bend. Wire does come in bigger sizes and a lot smaller, just depending on what you need it for. But we sell tons of different types or tons of different sizes of wire. We have teeny weeny tiny, which this is 15, 20 or 15, and all the way up to our highest gauges, which is, this is I think 8. We sell aluminum and copper. We sell different quantities of it. We sell large packs of it or small packs, whatever your bonsai needs are. So if you only have a small tree you're working with, you probably don't need a big pack of wire. But if you have lots of trees that you need to work with, we have you covered. Thank you for joining us on our bonsai YouTube channel. This is Timeless Trees. Don't forget to like and subscribe.